Start the next extreme puzzle, and the goal here is to make sure we don't make any errors when we are putting our numbers. So let's go ahead and get started. One cannot go here, it can go there. One cannot go here, so it can go anywhere there. One cannot go here, so it could go anywhere here. One cannot go here, here, or here, so we can go there. One cannot go here or up here, so we have it going here, which means it cannot go up here. One cannot go here or here, so we have it going in these four squares. Two cannot go here, so we have it going up here. Two cannot go here, so we have it going on this side. Two cannot go here, so we have it going in the middle on this right side. Two cannot go here, here, or here, so we have our first number, a 2, which leaves it here. Two cannot go here or up here, so now we know that 1 and 2 have to go there. Two cannot go there or there, so we have 2 going in this box. 3 cannot go at the top, so we can put it anywhere here. 3 cannot go at the top or here, so we have it going here and here only. 3 cannot go here or here, so it has to go somewhere here. 3 cannot go here, so it could go in the top and the middle. 3 cannot go at the top, can only go here, because it cannot go here because 1 and 2 have to go there. They can't go anywhere else, so that's why that was a 3, which cannot go here, here, or here, so we have it going down here. 4 cannot go here, so we have to put in the 4 corners plus this one, because 4 cannot go there. 4 cannot go, well, actually it can go anywhere here. 4 can actually go anywhere here. 4 can actually go anywhere here. 4 can go anywhere here. 4 cannot go in the middle, but it could go anywhere here and here. 4 cannot go here, so it could go anywhere in the top and bottom. And it couldn't go anywhere here at the bottom only, which removes these ones. Because if it can't go here, it can't go there. 5 cannot go at the top, so it could only go here, 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 and here. 5 cannot go here, here, or here, so it can only go here or here. 1 and 4 can go other places. 5 cannot go here or here, so we have 5 going here and here only. 5 cannot go here or here because of these 5s, so it could go here and here. 5 cannot go there because of this one, so it can go anywhere here. 5 cannot go here or in the middle, so we have it going anywhere there. 6 cannot go here, so it could go at the top and the bottom. 6 can actually go anywhere here. 6 can go anywhere here. 6 can go anywhere here as well. 6 cannot go in the middle, so it could go here, here, and here. 6 cannot go here, but it could go here or here only, which means 6 cannot go here, so it can go anywhere down here. And 6 can go anywhere here. 7 cannot go here or here or down here, so we have 7 going here. 7 cannot go here or here, so we have it going in these 3 spots. 1 can go other places. 4 other places is 6 as well. 7 cannot go here or here, so we have it going down here. 6 and 4 can go in other places. 7 cannot go here or here, so we have it going in these 3 spots. 7 cannot go here, here, or here, so we have it going there. 8 cannot go here or here, so we have it going up here. 8 cannot go here, so we have it going on the top and the bottom. 8 can go anywhere here. We have it going everywhere there. 8 cannot go here, so we have it going here, here, and here. 8 cannot go here, so it can go anywhere here. 8 cannot go here or here, so we have it going here. And 8 cannot go at the bottom, so it can go here. So it cannot go either here or here, so we have it only going here and here. When 4 can go other places, 5 can as well. 9 cannot go here or down here, so we have 9 going up here. 9 cannot go here, so it can go anywhere there and there. 9 can go anywhere here. 9 cannot go here, so it can go anywhere here and here. 9 cannot go here, it could only go here and here. 9 can go anywhere here. and 9 cannot go here. It could only go here and here, which means it cannot go here, here, or here. Okay, so right away my eyes got pulled over here. 4, 6, 8. That means I cannot have any 4, 6, or 8 anywhere else. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, and 8. Right away we have here. Okay, that's not a triple. We have 2, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, but we have a 1, 5, 1, 5, 7. That doesn't help us. Do I see any other numbers? I cannot have a 5 here. Remember we said it was a 1, 2. We cannot have a 2 up here. We cannot have a 2 there. Okay, so that's good. This is a 5, 6, 9. You see that? So we cannot have a 5 or a 9 there, or a 9, a 5 or a 9. So we have a 4, 7, 8 here. We don't have 4, 7, 8 here. Right? No 4, 7, 8. No 4, 7, 8. Okay, that's good. 4, oh look, triple. 4, 6, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6. Cannot have a 4, 6, 8 here, because that's our triple. 4, 8, 6. We have a 1, 7 and a 1, 2, 7. That's our triple. So this row is good. We said we had a 4, 6, 8. So that means we have to remove the 4, the 6, and the 8 from here. 4, 6, 8. We're left with a 3, 9, 3, 9. That makes sense. 4, 6, 8 with a 3, 9 here. We don't have any 3, 9 there. I have a 1, 5, 1, 5, 7. Okay. Something else that jumps out. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. That doesn't help us. 4, 6, 8, 8, 9. 5, 9. Do we have an 8, 5? Nope. What else? What else? What else? What else? Quickly. 6, 8. 6, 8, 9. 4, 7. Well, 4, 6, 7, 9. 4, 6, 7, 9. No. Okay, let's start right away then with our... Okay, we did find this 3. 3 cannot go there or there. It could only go here. With this 3 can't go there or there. It could only go there. 3 cannot go here or at the top. It could only go here. Right, so we got to remove this 3 from here. With that being said, this 2 cannot go here or here. We have it going only here. With the 2, we have it going everywhere there. With the 2, we have it going just here. It doesn't help us. Okay, we have 1s up here. We have 2s in 3 places. We have 4 in many places. 5's right there. 6 in many places. 7 here and here. Do I have any other 7s? Nope. Do I have? And then I have an 8 over here on this side. And then I have a 9 going here and here. Do I have any other 9s for an X-wing? Nope. Actually, I do down here, but there's more. Then I have 1s here. Then I have 2 going here and here. Do I have an X-wing with that 2? Nope, I don't. Then I have a 3 going only here. These are 3. With this 3, does that help us? 3 cannot go here or here. They could go down here only. But this 3 cannot go here, 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 or here. So that's our 3. With that 3, does that help us with anything else? Nope. We have a 3. We have 4, so there. I have a 5 here and here. Do I have a triple? Nope. Nope, nope, no, nowhere else. 5, 6 right there. 7 many places. 8. And then I have 9. Then I have 1 here and here. The many places. 2 and many more than 2 places. 3 over here on this side. Do I have any other 3s? Nope. I have this 3, but there's a 3 all the way over here. Okay, there's 3. I have 4 in many places. 5 in here as well, many places. 6 is in many places. 7 is right here. 8 is here. But 8 is... Nope, we can't use it. And then 9 is right there. We have 1, 2, 3. And here we have 4 in many places, 5 on this side only. And nope, doesn't help. We have 6 in many places, 7 is right there, 8 in many places, and 9 in many places. It's 4, 6, 8. We have 1 over here on this side. Well, I have this 1's here. So look, so these ones, there's no 1 here. 1 here, there's no 1 here. So I cannot have a 1. I'm using this one. I cannot have a 1 there, because this 1 has to go somewhere in here. I cannot have any 1s in this one except for those two, correct? I have this and this. I cannot have a 1 up here. Okay, that opened up that 5, so let's see how that helps. 5. Does that 5 help us? Yes, it does, because look, 5 cannot go here or here, so we have a 5 going there. This 5, it doesn't help us over here, but this 5 doesn't help us here. Cannot go here. It cannot go here. So is this only 5 that I see here? Yes, that's the only 5. So now I have 5 not going here. Here I have a 5 going here. Okay, so does that 5 help us now with more? Well, this 5 cannot go here. Cannot go here. I still have it going here and here only. Okay, that's okay. 5 here, cannot go here, cannot go here. Have it going these 2 spots. All right, so I have a 9 here. I have a 6. I have a 4. I have a 9. I have a 3. I have a 9. Okay, I have an 8 here. I have a 3. I have this 8. I have this 3. I have this 7. I have this 2. I have this 1. I have this 2. I have this 6. I have this 1. I have this 8. 8, click there. 1, 7, 1, 7. I have a 2 here in this row, and that's, well, 4, 4, 9, that's our 2. Then I have, 4, 6, 4, 6, 7, 4, 7. That means I have a 4, 6, 7. I cannot have a 4, 6, 7 anywhere here, because that's a triple. So this, I cannot have a 6 here. So now with this is our 9, this is our 2, this is our 9, this is our 1, this is our 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 1. I have a 4 here, I have a 6 here, I have a 6 over here with a 4, with the 7, with the 8, with the 4, with the 8, with the 7, with the 7, with the 1, with the 6, with the 5. I have a 4 here, I have an 8, I have a 1, I have a 7, but 9, 4, 6, 4, 4, and 6. So again, that X-Wing did help us, taking those away. We set a new best score because of that. That X-Wing did help us there. 13 minutes and 3 seconds. If you have any hints or suggestions you want to give, shoot this way, go ahead and feel free. Thank you for watching.